Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cast your screen from your Google Pixel to your TV using the YouTube app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the YouTube application on your Google Pixel. This will open the app and take you to your main feed where you can browse through all your recommended videos and subscriptions. Next, tap on any video that you want to cast to your TV. It could be a music video, a tutorial, a movie, or anything else you'd like to watch on the bigger screen. Once you tap on it, the video will start playing on your phone. Now, while the video is playing, direct your attention to the top portion of the video player. You'll notice a cast icon up there, which typically looks like a small rectangle with curved lines in the corner representing a screen broadcasting to another device. This icon is your gateway to streaming content from your phone to your TV, making it easy to enjoy your favorite videos on a larger display. Go ahead and tap on the cast icon. When you do this, a list will appear showing all the available devices nearby that are capable of receiving the cast. These are usually smart TVs, Chromecast devices, or other streaming devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. This feature works seamlessly because both your phone and TV communicate through your home network, ensuring a smooth connection. From the list of available devices, tap on your TV device. Once you select it, the connection process will begin immediately. You'll notice that the video you were watching on your phone will now start playing on your TV screen instead. The casting process is typically very quick, taking just a few seconds to establish the connection and transfer the video feed to your television. And that's it, you've successfully cast your YouTube video from your Google Pixel to your TV. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.